My name's Nick Keebler. I'm a maintenance technician for Master Brand Plant 4 in Ferdinand. When I got out of high school, went to work on heavy equipment and trucks. A friend of mine was a supervisor here at that time, told me about this job. I started here April 17th, 2000. I like what I do. I make a good living doing it. I don't ever dread coming to work. You do something different all day, you're challenged. Sometimes I clock in and next thing I know it's time to leave. I put in a 9-hour day and feel like I've been here, an hour. Breakdowns can happen anytime throughout the day. With breakdowns, you really never know what you're gonna get. It can be, a 5-minute fix, or it might be a 5-hour fix. You just never really know. Usually you can get a pretty good idea of what's wrong with something just by talking to the operator. Sometimes you just run into something that's just an oddball, something weird, something you've never seen before. It can take longer to figure that stuff out, but it feels good when you finally do. I'd say the most advanced piece of equipment that we have here is our HOMAG door shaper. It's actually 4 machines linked together as one big machine. As a maintenance technician, troubleshooting our HOMAG door shaper, you need to have a good understanding of the pneumatics and electronics that are on that machine. We use Amatrol online testing for our level advancement in maintenance, and there is some geometry, physics, math involved in the Amatrol. We have our own trainers on site here, and once we complete our Amatrol training, we can do our hands-on tests on our trainers here with the project engineer for the plant. We're given a certain amount of time to complete the task on the trainers, and if we complete that in time, we pass and we get bumped up to level 2 and get a raise. I learn something in here every day. Every single day I learn something new in this place. The classes that they send us through are a huge help. That's where I've learned most of what I know electrically. When I first started here, I was not an electrician. I didn't know anything. Now I'm pretty proficient with electrical troubleshooting. Most people, you burn an outlet out. A lot of people that don't know anything about it, they're gonna call an electrician to come fix an outlet, but I can fix it home in 10 minutes and it doesn't cost me anything. In advanced manufacturing, there's opportunities to move up. You can start as a tech and work your way to a supervisor. You can go up to a maintenance coordinator. You can even get into engineering eventually. Maybe someday I would like to advance supervisor position or a higher position within the maintenance department. I don't plan on ever getting out of the maintenance department. I plan on staying here. I have no intentions of leaving this job. If you look at something and you're curious about how it works, those type of people will be really good for jobs like this.